Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the white line video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to videos and I'm going to select a before and after video, and then after that on the before video I'm going to just split these into two parts. Then after that I am going to go to this video and I'm going to make it kind of small, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to select create compound clip and I'm going to scale it up so the quality is will like look bad. Can I like scale it even more? I think I scaled it too small, so I might go back and just make it a little bit bigger. There we go. You can also like adjust the saturation a little bit. Then go to library and go to this black and white bit right here and add in a white video. Then add it on top of that. Then you are going to select mask and you're going to select the film strip and you're going to just want to rotate that 90 degrees. Then you're going to want to make the line very short, very small, and you're going to want to feather that as well. And then you're going to want to add a keyframe at the beginning and you're going to want to put it, wait, let me just do it till the end as well, like here. And then in the beginning you're going to want to put the line here. You can also add in a slow motion to this part of the video, but I'm not going to do that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!